Fraction on number line. We are going to represent the fractions using number line. See, this is the number line, starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The fractions will be represented as in between 0 to 1 it is half of the part, so 1 by 2. Next 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2 is 2, 5 by 2, 6 by 2 is 3, 7 by 2, 8 by 2 is 4. Like this, we will represent the fractions on the number line. Proper fraction. What is a proper fraction or what is an improper fraction and what is a mixed fraction? For the proper fraction, we have the fraction will be like this. That means 3 by 5. In this, the numerator is having smaller value when compared with the denominator. Listen carefully. The proper fraction has smaller numerator and larger denominator. Okay. Next, improper fraction. Reverse to this one. That means a larger numerator, okay, and a smaller denominator. In this case, they might be equal also. Okay. Mixed fraction will be like this: 2 1 by 3, 2 of 1 by 3. So these are the proper fractions, improper as well as mixed fractions. Proper fraction, one more example: 1 by 4. Okay, numerator should be less than the denominator. And for improper fraction, okay, numerator should be greater than with the denominator. This is the key difference between proper fraction as well as improper fraction. See the improper fraction here. Numerator is 15 and denominator is 7. Okay. If we can convert this one as 15 divided by 7, this is 2 and remainder 1. Okay, so we can write this as 2 1 by 7. Okay, this is called as a mixed number. This is how the mixed number or its mixed fraction is going to form. We will get the remainder something except 0. This is about mixed fraction. See, we will generalize with the examples. This apple is cut into two parts. This is called as two halves. Okay? Fraction of an apple. So out of which totally we have one part and 1/4, that means quarter part was cutted. Okay? 1/4. 3/4, 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. 4/4. If you can combine all these 4/4, we will get the total apple. Okay? Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. 4/4. Mixed fraction. See, you can observe this watermelon. This is 1 3 by 4. This part I am speaking about. And for this has 1.5. The glasses of milk. This is having totally 1.5 glasses of milk. This is called as mixed fraction. We will look into exercise 7.2. First problem. draw number line and locate the points on them. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. This is the number line. We have divided the number line from 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts. Okay? C represents 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Okay? B represents 1 by 4. D represents 3 by 4, if you can observe. And E represents 4 by 4, that is 1. Students, we have divided the number line from 0 to 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 0 to 1 we have divided this number line. Next, 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8 and 7 by 8. We have divided the number line from 0 to 1 into 8 equal parts. How many parts? 8 equal parts. So here B represents 1 by 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. So B represents 1 by 8. C represents 2 by 8. D represents 3 by 8. H represents 7 by 8. Okay? Next, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 8 by 5, 4 by 5. So from the above number line we have this one. C represents 2 by 5. D represents 3 by 5. E represents 4 by 5. I represents 8 by 5. Okay? Express the following as mixed fractions. 20 by 3. See, we are dividing 20 with 3. 6 into 3, 18. So if you can subtract 2. So here we have 2 as the remainder. So we can write 6 2 by 3. 6 into 2 by 3. We can write 20 by 3 as 6 into 2 by 3. 6, 2, 3. Okay, this is the mixed fraction. Next, 11 by 5. Divide 11 with 5. 5 into 2, 10. So 1 is the remainder. We can write 11 by 5 as 2 into 1 by 5. 2 into 1 by 5. Seventeen by 7. Divide 17 with 7. 7 into 2 is equals to 14. 3 is the remainder. So 2 into 3 by 7 is the mixed fraction here. 2 into 3 by 7. 28 by 5. We can divide 28 with 5. 5 into 5 is 25. Remainder is 3. So we can write this as 5 into 3 by 5. Okay? 19 by 6. If you can divide 19 with 6, 6 into 3 is 18. Remainder is 1. 3 into 1 by 6. 3 into 1 by 6. Next one is 35 by 9. So 35 we can divide with 9. 9 into 3 is 27. 8 is the remainder. So we can rewrite as 3 into 8 by 9 as the mixed fraction. 35 by 9 is equals to 3 into 8 by 9. Express the following as improper fractions. 7 into 3 by 4. Okay, here we have to write as 7 into 4 plus 3 is equals to 31 by 4. Therefore, 7 into 3 by 4 is equals to 31 by 4. Similarly, 5 into 6 by 7 is 5 into 7 plus 6. that means 41 by 7. Therefore, 5 into 6 by 7 is equals to 41 by 7. 2 into 5 by 6, 2 into 6 plus 5 divided by 6, that is 17 by 6. Therefore, 2 into 5 by 6 is equals to 17 by 6. These are all the improper fractions. What is the condition? Numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay. Next question, 10 into 3 by 5, 10 into 5 plus 3, 53 by 5. Therefore, 10 into 3 by 5 is equals to 53 by 5. Okay, next one, 9 into 3 by 7, 9 into 7 plus 3, 66 by 7. Therefore, 9 into 3 by 7 is equals to 66 by 7. Next one, 8 into 4 by 9, that is 8 into 9 plus 4 is equals to 76 by 9. Therefore, 8 into 4 by 9 is equals to 76 by 6. All these are all improper fractions because numerator is greater than the denominator. With this, we have completed this exercise.